Good morning, campers. What's going on, y'all? Hey, BC coming to you live and Pigeon Forge, baby. Yeah, we in Pigeon Forge, so we finna have some fun, man. We going out. I got a special guest with me also. It's gonna be pretty cool. You don't know this, well, you kind of know this person. You've met him a couple times. It's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, I got a guest with me. We're going 3 days in the Smokies, man. We're in Pigeon Forge right now. We're gonna be heading out to Newfound Gap. We're gonna go to Newfound Gap, and then we're gonna hike to Standing Bear. Yeah. Look, the mountains. I mean, I think it's that way. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, we're at the Howard Johnson right now. Out here in, like I said, Pigeon Forge. Got in last night. Daylight savings. So yeah, that's all good. But anyway, yeah. Let me go ahead. We got to get packed up and get ready, and we're gonna hit the trail soon. Woo! Country on the radio station. That's all they got in Tennessee. Look who came along with me, man. This dumbass motherfucker right here, man. Get it though. Yeah, look, we going there. Can you see it? Look through the clouds. Look, if you look up the top, you can see the top one. There's well, you can't see it right here, but yeah, we in Tennessee, y'all. Yo, so we are leaving the Nantahala Outdoor Center in Gatlinburg. So yeah, about to go to Standing Bear Hostel. We'll be staying there for well, not staying there, but big truck gonna be staying there. So that's gonna be cool. We get excited. I'm excited. Y'all excited? All right, yeah. Look at the mountains. Yeah. All right. But we gotta hurry up though, because we got a long day. All right. $120 to get this Newfound Gap, but that's all right. That's all right. I mean, it's expensive as hell, but who cares? We back on the AT, baby. Hey, I made it to the bathrooms. Hey, remember when we was talking about Will in the bathrooms? I think these are the ones he stayed in. Dude was up here for like a couple days. Yeah, huh?
Hold it.
What?
I thought you want me to hold the thing.
Oh, hold this. I got it.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh crap. How do you stop it? GoPro, stop. It didn't work. I don't know how to stop. Oh, the red button.
We are in this. So y'all remember in 2021, who was it? Will? And he stayed up in here for like 2 days. This is the bathroom. It's really cool. I know I said that already, but I'll say it again. So, all right, we are off. 3 days in the Smokies. Let's go. Hurry up, man. Whew. Yeah, I remember hiking up Blood Mountain in the rain. It was raining a lot harder up Blood Mountain though, so it was a lot wetter with these fake ass. No, actually, I didn't have these gloves yet. But look, Aaliyah back there. She didn't know what she was getting into. I didn't either last time. So, whew. Here now though. Look at all the ice falling off the tree. What's going on? For the record, I didn't do that. We'll talk. There's battery there, I think. How you sleep?
I didn't.
You didn't sleep? You
I
slept.
slept for like 3 hours.
It is cold. Up there.
Okay, there you go. Now it's recording. But wait, I'm not ready. Oh, crap. Okay.
This is trail magic. Yeah, it's cold. It's kind of really cold. Leah back there somewhere, slow as all get out. She remind me of me when I first hiked. You don't really know what you expect. If you've never hiked in the mountains, you don't know what to expect. So I almost said no, but I was like, you know what? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Low and slow. Part 2. No views today. Or yesterday. Yeah, but still a good day though. So good. So let's go. Now we got some views. It's clearing up a little bit. Gorgeous. Gorgeous Smoky Mountains right there. On the truck. We had the wrong shelter, but that's okay. It's not my fault though. So I remember I went up the East Ridge over at Amicalola and I thought I was gonna die. Yeah, she just went through that. She didn't know what the hell she was getting into. I tried to warn her. I told you. Said do some research. I know. Yeah, I know. Tried to warn. Told him. So, but we here, so we'll be all right. Shelter's all set up. It's one of those below zero mornings again. I mean, not below zero. Below 0 Celsius. That's breakfast. Yeah. How you sleep last night, Leah? Yeah. That's our trail name, thumbs up. All right, and we're off. Pikes Peak, wherever this shelter was, Pikes Corner. Yep, we weren't supposed to stay there, but that's what happens. Sometimes you make plans, and then they go awry. Oh, not gonna lie, these are some of the most treacherous conditions I faced on the trail. Whew. But we getting there, low and slow. Low and slow. You got to, because it's dangerous. It's all ice. But it's real pretty. And I imagine this is what hiking Everest is like. Just cold, snow, and beauty. It's all the snow up here, but ain't no snow down there. Look at that. That's interesting. It's cold though.
Many unbearable hours later.
From Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So I've been here before. I've been to this spot too. Look at that creek. It's really cool, right? Yeah, oh my gosh. Yesterday was crazy. You know, I've had 2 super hard days hiking. Yesterday and the day before I hit the knock in 2021. Yeah, yesterday, that shit was crazy. The trail was like, not like ice, it was ice. I'm talking about ice like half-inch thick ice in some spots. And going downhill without crampons or yak tracks, that shit was not fun at all. And then, so Aaliyah came, as you guys, you may or may not know by now. I don't know when I'll put this one out. So yeah, Aaliyah on the way down, the last mile, it's always that last mile, sprained her ankle. So it took us, well, it was supposed to be 30 minutes maybe, ended up being like an hour and a half extra. Oh my gosh, it was so hard. So yeah, she don't want to come back no more. She learned a lesson. Because what happened was, we'll talk about it later. But anyway, yeah, we are done with that. So we're out here at Gatlinburg, waiting on the family to show up now, and we'll have some fun. So yeah, second part of vacation begins, baby.